Have you ever thought about using a credit card for a loan? It might sound surprising, but it can actually be a smart move for many people. First things first, let's clarify what we mean by a credit card loan. When we talk about a credit card loan, we are really discussing how you can use your credit card to get money when you need it. This can happen in a few ways. You might use your card for everyday purchases, or you might decide to take cash out at an ATM. But here's the catch, using a credit card for a loan is not the same as borrowing from a bank. Instead, you are borrowing money that you will pay back later, often with interest. So how does it actually work? When you use a credit card, you have a limit. This means you can only spend up to a certain amount. If you need cash, you can take what is known as a cash advance. However, cash advances often come with higher fees and interest rates. Let's say you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000. If you take out $200 as a cash advance, you will have to pay that back along with any fees or higher interest that may apply. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of using a credit card for a loan? One key advantage is convenience. If you have a credit card, you have access to funds right away. This can be a lifesaver in emergencies or when unexpected costs pop up. Another benefit is the ability to build credit. When you use your credit card responsibly and pay it back on time, it can improve your credit score. A better credit score can help you qualify for better loans in the future. But not everything is sunshine and rainbows. There are downsides to using a credit card for a loan. The interest rates can be high, and if you miss a payment, the fees can add up quickly. It is easy to get trapped in a cycle of debt if you are not careful. You should always think about your ability to pay back what you borrow. If you are unsure, it might be better to look for other options, like a personal loan or borrowing from a friend or family member. If you decide to use a credit card for a loan, here are some tips to do it wisely. First, know your limits. Keep track of how much you are borrowing and what your credit limit is. Second, always read the fine print. Make sure you understand the fees and interest rates so there are no surprises. Lastly, make a plan to pay it back. Set aside money each month to pay down your debt. This will help you stay on track and avoid falling into a financial hole. So there you have it. Using a credit card for a loan can be a good option if you are smart about it. Remember to weigh the pros and cons and make a plan. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.